Hey, it's time for the Nintendo Switch 2 with Mario Kart World Bundle.
Mario Kart World!
Hey, it's time for the sit-down portion of the Nintendo Switch 2 with Mario Kart World Bundle. Alright, this has been some of the best days of my life playing on it. Shout out to my little brother again for another video for Tech Time with Kai. I want to show you all the comparison with the Nintendo Switch 1, which is his by the way, versus the sizing difference for the Nintendo Switch 2. So I'm going to record it now so you all can see it. So I have both off so you can get a true idea of it. So as you can see, it's no lie that this screen is smaller than this one, and I absolutely love it. But I will say, the longer you hold it, you really don't feel a difference weight wise. Like, of course, holding it side by side, yes, this is heavier, but the more I've played it, it didn't feel any different than playing on this, which I have spent many nights playing on the Switch. And this was his Animal Crossing version, and this is just the regular Nintendo Switch 2. So you can see it if I hold it myself right here. You can fit in the screen, and you can go on top as well and on the bottom. So the more I hold it, the less it doesn't feel like, oh my gosh, this is the Switch 2. Okay, I just thought about it, and this is my Wii U. I've had a Wii and a Wii U, and I wanted to show the size comparison between the Wii U GamePad versus Nintendo GamePad by itself. And then here is the newest technology from 2014 to 2020. When this came out, so you can see the difference. And oh my gosh, y'all, this is my Wii U GamePad and you can definitely tell the difference in how thin it is, the back, how thick this one is compared to this one. And I've never seen anybody compare the Nintendo Switch 2 with the Nintendo Wii GamePad. So this is definitely a difference. I feel like it's saying that I am actually 23, but yeah, like, let me just do a comparison video to show the Wii. It's kind of dusty, honestly. I need to clean it. This is the original Switch to me because this is what first introduced GamePad. Just turned it to Switch. I would love stuff like this. This and Apple, hand in hand. So yeah, okay. Now you can see. Wow. 3 different models. I think this would make a great short too. Life of a content creator. Always getting different type of content. Okay, so let's put these down and get to the next parts of the video. The dock other than is bigger to hold the screen, but the controllers is the next part. So you just hold the button right. Here's the size difference with the controller. I'll use this, the blue one. So you can see it's smaller size. I'll say this is definitely thicker than this one because it's bigger. This side is also different as well. But the more you play with this, it doesn't really feel like, oh my gosh, I'm getting such a bigger screen, a bigger size, bigger controllers. It just honestly feels normal. And the last thing I would like to mention is, let's go back. So here it is. I've just added on the mouse attachment so you can play it like this. I'm gonna show you all. So with the mouse feature, you can go like this. It's so cool. And you can actually get ready to play a game. And it's quite easy to remove them as well. Let's see, do I remember? Yeah, so you just snap it off. And then pull it right off. It's not hard, and same for this one. It really just falls off. It's like not even magnetic, but it's just a really cool update compared to the last one. You have to slide up and slide down. Now you can just click. Oh, my brother loves the sound so much. That's it. Then you just take it off. And those are the controllers. Bigger, better, and magnetic. Just a great update from the regular Switch 1 controllers. We have to slide it up and then slide it down in the slot. Great, you just click it. Now let's play some Mario Kart World. Great quality, like it's just very crisp and clean. And here's the layout at the bottom. The game up. Let's go ahead and cut it all the way up. I unlocked some new characters, but my favorite is Daisy. I don't have... Yeah, I think this is my favorite vehicle because it has a hint of purple in it. My favorite map... what is my favorite map? As you can see, I have all the stars. Let me cut it down. I have all the stars in 50cc so far. Honestly, if I had a favorite lap, it probably would be Crown City. I really like that one. But for this video, since I have to play one, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do Koopa Troopa Beach. To do 150cc. Now, should I cut it all the way up? And it shows you like a movie. Dang. Dang. Dang it. Hey, I usually get first, but that's good. No, I usually don't play with the kickstand. I just hold it like this, but here's how far down it can go. And if I was to play with it, I'll probably leave it like this. Oh, here it is. Now, did I get first place every single time? No. Was I expecting to get it since I was filming? Yes, but I didn't. But I absolutely love the Switch 2. So yes, you all, this is the Nintendo Switch 2 with Mario Kart World bundle. As you can also see, my brother downloaded a demo game. This is a game I actually have for the Nintendo Wii, and he actually likes it. I don't care for Donkey Kong at all, so just drop down in the comment who's y'all favorite Nintendo Switch, Nintendo series, just the whole thing, character. Drop down your favorite Nintendo character down below. He also played this one, which is the new game, Donkey Kong Bonanza, for the Nintendo Switch 2. Kirby. I think that's Kirby. Yeah. So, Just Dance. And these are all the games that we've had for the Nintendo Switch. Mario Kart Deluxe, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Super Mario 3D World with Bowser Fury, Super Mario Odyssey. I absolutely love this game so much. And then the best game ever hit Nintendo, which was Super Mario Bros. The series was just amazing. So anything Super Mario, Mario Kart, I love it. And you can also get accessories to customize it however you want. It could be pink, green, purple, blue, red, you name it. There are plenty of accessories out here to customize it to your liking. And the games that we want, well, I know I want, me and my sister want Animal Crossing. My brother does want Donkey Kong Bonanza, and all of us will agree to play Super Mario Wonder. So that should be fun. And those are the 3 games we want. I hope you all enjoyed my tech time with the Nintendo Switch 2. Shout out to my brother again for letting me use another one of his devices to record. I hope you all have enjoyed this video so much. Y'all have a great life, and comment down below what's your favorite Nintendo game. Bye!